Alright folks, well here we go, coming back at you here real quick, and I just got a quick fun video for you. I guess I'm just starting to film every little thing that I do, so anyway, I got this Swiss Army knife I picked up from the pawn shop here a while back. I was wanting to put it in one of my EDC kits, and lo and behold, I didn't have it home for 5 minutes, and the backings came off here. That was one of the main backings came off here, and that was one of the main reasons why I purchased it. I really like the looks of this Swiss Army knife, and the backings came off, or whatever you call these things. So I figured I could do a quick repair on it, and then put it in one of my EDC kits. So you can see here I've already taken the time and sanded off the old glue from the from both the knife and the backing. So that's what the knife's in pretty good shape. Anyway, it's got a little bit of rust, a little bit of wear. I can go over it here real quick. It's got your regular knife handle. You can see there it looks like it was in a tackle box or something. Is why the glue gave way. I think this is a saw blade. Yep, it is. And this one does have a set of scissors, a little bit of a plier or a flathead. And what does the other side have? It's got a little corkscrew. I'm not sure what those are for really exactly. I think it's for a knot of some kind or sewing. Then you got a little nail file, little Phillips, a little pry tool. There. So we got our handy dandy Gorilla Glue here. Trusty nail. Like I said, we're going to give this a little bit of time and just see what happens here. It's already starting to come out. Sorry, you can't see what I'm doing. Oops, yep. Oh, I think I got way too much on this one side. Got a little on my hand, that's for sure. Let's see if I can just show you better here on this side. Here we go. Okay. Go ahead and put this side. Get this corkscrew out of the way. And this one on this side. Okay. Secure it down. We'll give that a little bit of time. We'll see how it turns out. Stay tuned with us. Alright, here we go. It's been about 24 hours. We're back at it here again today. So like I said, I just did a quick fix with this Gorilla Glue on my Swiss Army knife for my EDC kit. Super excited about this, putting this knife into the rotation just because it's very nostalgic. And of course, it's Swiss Army, but I was super disappointed when the coverings came off. I mean, just almost immediately. So hopefully this Gorilla Glue has fixed it to the point of where I can put it into the EDC rotation. So let's just pull this out and give it a real quick check. Ta-da! I think she's good to go, baby. Again, this is just a real quick, super fun, just easy video. Again, I'm trying to get into some gears and gadgets and wanted to put this little Swiss Army knife into one of my EDC kits, and so you might see it up in an upcoming video, but I figured I'd just video the repair job. Again, the only thing I didn't really record was sanding off the old glue from the inner portions, but the Gorilla Glue sealed the deal and got us back on the road. So anyway, if you like this content and want to see more, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.